Hello, everyone, and welcome to this edition of Live, Work, Play the TechM Way. My name is Saloni, and I'm here today at Tech Mahindra's InfoCity campus. On this series, we engage in up close and personal conversations with leaders from across Tech Mahindra, where they share their stories and examples of themselves or their teams or even their leaders having lived Tech Mahindra's core values and RISE tenets. These conversations also give us a sneak peek into their lives at Tech Mahindra and help us know what makes these tech mighties tick. Today's guest on this series is an ICT industry veteran who has led companies to leadership positions across diverse business segments, including servers, satellite communications, networking, and data storage. In a stellar career spanning over 3 decades, he has been bestowed with several industry accolades. DataQuest listed him as one of the top 10 people to have shaped the last decade of the Indian IT industry. He was awarded the Best IT Man of the Year 2001 by the National Foundation of Indian Engineers and conferred an honorary fellowship of the E-Information Systems, Securities and Audit Association besides other laurels. He has served as the chairman of Storage Networking Industry Association India and has also been on the executive board of the American Chambers of Commerce in India. An alumnus of the Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur, he is based in New Delhi, India. It is my honor to welcome Manoj Chugh, President Enterprise Business at Tech Mahindra, to live, work, play the TechM way. Welcome Manoj, great to have you here.
Thank you.
So you have been with Tech Mahindra for a little over 2 years. How has your experience been so far being a part of the Tech Mahindra Rise story?
Well, I can tell you I have thoroughly enjoyed my 2 years. It's been fantastic. And I can tell you that I feel a lot younger in the last 2 years than I had felt before. And it is just the whole energy and the passion and the winning zeal of our associates which kind of motivates me very, very significantly. So I'd say I'm having a great time. And by the way, Saloni, I'm very young. I just color my hair gray. So I'm just like any one of you.
Absolutely. So at Tech Mahindra, we celebrate the spirit of RISE. Could you share some instances of a colleague or even a team who you believe truly lived RISE?
Well, I can tell you there are so many instances which come to my mind. But one which I can relate to more recently is in a specific customer situation. We were in a real difficult situation with this customer, to the extent the customer actually turned around and said that maybe they will never want to do any serious level of business with us. We got a team together, we assembled a team together, and we told them that, look, it is going to be your ownership and your responsibility to get us back into the game, and together we will convince the customer that Tech Mahindra is the right partner. And yes, we may have made some mistakes. It happens in life. Life is not perfect, but we have it in us. We are sincere. We truly believe in the spirit of serving the customer. We believe in applying alternate thinking. We truly believe in making sure that we can drive positive change. And that is what we will do in this case. I give tremendous credit to this team that from being absolutely down and out, they picked up their courage. All the associates came together, colleagues on the delivery side, pre-sale side, sales side. Everyone got together and said, let's sit down and work a plan. It was a long journey. It took us about 18 months, but I'm very, very pleased that this account now is back on its growth path. And I'm very sure that in the very near future, we will get back to our days of glory. I look at this as a very strong story of RISE, when we never give up and we know that we have it in us to go out and achieve the impossible. There are many such war stories that I see being written every day. I'd say our whole story every day is the story of RISE.
Yes, Manoj, that was a perfect example of RISE, where I think most emphasis was laid on accepting no limits. In one of your recent interactions with the media, you had mentioned that innovation is not just a blockbuster brand. That probably is very true for an organization like ours, where not necessarily most of us get to work on products that are examples of visible innovation. How do you think we are contributing to the success story of our customers through invisible innovation? Yet, how important is it for us to continue to innovate?
I think if we have to move up the value chain, we need to innovate. And in today's day and age, without innovation, there is no way we will even survive. And the world is changing dramatically. Saloni, the interview that you're talking about is one where the journalist actually asked me as to why is there no Google or Apple, from India. And while we are serving, literally, we are the technology capital in a way of the world, why are we not able to produce these brands? And my response was and continues to be that you do not see us, but we innovate very, very dramatically. Now we have NDAs and so on and so forth, and therefore we can't talk publicly of the work that we are doing. But many of our associates or engineers are very proud when their customer launches a new service or a new product or a new offering, because we know that we are the hidden hand behind those. And so do our customers know that. So I don't think you should always do work and look for glory. I think we should be happy, first of all, ourselves. We have to answer our own conscience that the work that we are doing, are we truly innovating? Are we adding value? Are we making a difference? And many times you get visible external commendation, many times you don't. But as long as you are clear in your own heart that you are innovating and you are doing good work and you are helping the customers succeed, I think there is no better success than that. And that is my personal approach to life as well, that I think all of us, just not Tech Mahindra, but all of us within the Indian IT industry are doing a tremendous job. We are helping to run the largest airlines in the world, the largest petroleum companies, the largest retailers. Lots of governments depend on us to help them succeed and provide services to their citizens. All of us collectively as an industry have made the world and planet a better place. And we all together, certainly within Tech Mahindra, embody the spirit of RISE as we help our customers achieve their goals and their aspirations. So we should not worry about whether there is a Google from India or not, or whether Tech Mahindra can go and create the next Google. I think we are creating Googles every day. We are creating Apples every day by innovating with our customers. And that gives me great pleasure and happiness.
So Manoj, what are your personal mantras to success? And on an everyday basis, what makes you rise to a new beginning?
I think every day that I wake up, I ask myself a question that am I going to make a difference in the workplace today? Am I going to help a customer? Am I going to make a difference to employees, to colleagues, to a certain process? How am I going to make sure that I contribute to the organization that I serve? And every evening I turn around and before I close my eyes and go to sleep, I actually ask myself a question that did I really achieve what I had set out to in the morning? In a way, the Japanese call it the concept of Kaizen, that you improve every day. And I think that that has been my mantra, that every day have I improved, have I helped someone become successful in some whichever fashion. The second mantra that I have is of sheer hard work. And the sheer discipline and the focus and the rigor is extremely important. I'm an old-fashioned guy, so I believe in the rigor, in the discipline, in the focus. And make sure that you just continue to work hard. There's no shortcut. And the third is have tremendous conviction in what one is doing. And be answerable to your own conscience. I think that is the most important. As long as you can turn around and your conscience tells you what you're doing is right and you're on the right path, you will be good. You don't have to wait for somebody to give you a pat on the back. You don't need to wait for your manager to say, oh, Manoj, you've done a great job. None of that is required. You know for yourself whether you've done a good job or not. And therefore, the only person that we need to challenge is ourselves. And that's the way I view life. It is my sincere belief, and that's been a mantra which has stayed close to me. I believe that every person, every employee is extremely valuable, is very unique, and brings something which nobody else on this planet brings to the table. And therefore, everyone is a winner. And that is my last mantra, that in my team, I don't have one winner or two winners. I don't have 1 star or 2 stars or 3 stars. Everyone on my team is a winner. Everyone on my team is a star. And I think together we can work and help Tech Mahindra and the entire ecosystem rise.
Thank you, Manoj. That was a wonderful piece of advice. Is there any message you would also like to leave with our fellow Tech Mighties?
The message I'd like to leave is we always have challenging times and we have great times. And none of these times last forever. So my request and my message to all Tech Mighties is the best is in front of us. Let us remain, work as a team, play as a team, and we will win as a team.
Thank you. That was Manoj Chugh, President, Enterprise Business at Tech Mahindra. Stay tuned for more such interesting sessions with the leaders. This is Saloni signing off. Have a great day.